It's Joel on the bed.
Nana Chona, Coconola, popular, everywhere you go. Abaname, 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 Asaboro. Ewala balaba ni yama. Iyamo la momo bobo amaite urumeo iyamo urumeo wala utamenu miameo wala miagbenu miame oeme noro tiameo esamo oloku noba oeme noro tiameo esamo Adanu pasa yemela wa o oeme noro tiameo esamo Adanu afiakwe yemela wa oeme noro tiameo esamo Yesamo Abaname no sanoke Oloku noba yesamo oeme noro tiameo esamo Otakwe noro tiameo esamo Umana noro tiameo esamo Alahu yao noro tiameo esamo Utoro de pename esamo Obi abaname mehi Yasela yogo no mao Yo so gata yogo no ma Yo kia gata yogo no ma Ya magata yogo no ma Yo sagata yogo no ma Ya so gata yogo no ma Ke wanira mo gata yogo no ma Uke wanira iwi gata yogo no ma Abaname no se no okay Ewa lapa ni yobo Ewe dekie Nave bodo Uwa kyuku Kimela wa Edelu wapasa Kimela wa Waga utome Kimela wa Waga kwename Kimela wa
Aproko no la popular Omologe A music you want
Umame noro jame ke samo pa Alahu yao noro jame ke samo pa Utoro le pename ke samo pa Abaname o Abaname ni yeme Abaname o No se noroke Ewa lagbalagba ni yomo Uwe gbagada newe miafa Urura o Oloku noba Oloku noba
Yes, mama.
Abaname
take phone.
Osanoroke
Yes,
Abaname no you walk your man
Yes,
Oloku no you fake woman Abaname no sanoroke
Yeah, 5-star Maboro ya mama.
Okyo bosobo Aboro gateme wo vie Oyesunu wota Toto edobody wins Orira on Na ye
Maye pe Obaname.
Kuro masede ayeye
Make una, in fact, people where they play this music for TikTok, for everywhere, God will bless una. Okay, Egogo Nola, you don't want?
I can't play anything.
Why? You must download something on my phone before you play something. Go to YouTube. Oh, good. What? Sit down. Watch the telling like that. Sit down. Watch the telling like that. Una where they play and God will bless una. Okay, so don't forget this music don't have copyright. In case you are a live video presenter, you want to play Obaname, please, you are very free. You don't get copyright. Egogo is one of the superstar now where we say he don't get copyright for music. You see all these rest musicians where go put copyright for their music, it really pay me. Including my old brother, my friend MC Papilo, he pay me. Say he even get copyright. But copyright you not go affect you. But share revenue, the truth has to be told. The truth has to be told. Where they go, they put their music. Now they cost and not be there, they do want themselves. But you, the director, you have right to also don't go and put your music that place. Free your music, make people they use your music, they jam. See how people they jam go music. This Obaname, it not get copyright. If you be live video presenter, please, the groove am. Obaname not get copyright. Obaname not send or okay. Any copyright at all. Groove am to the call. Obaname not get copyright. Groove am to the call, guys. Wawa akpe. Obaname nijeme. Obaname o osenoroke. Ewe lagbalagba ge nijomo. Murume o ijomo. Ugaga uwa eseme ae. Ugaga utome eseme ae. Egogo no la popular yo swear. Make una dey play Obaname. E no get copyright. E no get no single copyright. No share revenue. Shout out to any superstar where they play music. We not go give people where they put copyright or share revenue. Uya go nigo my younger brother. When the music you wear say. When the music in say copyright, share revenue. Why? Listen, let me tell you guys. No sabwa war fit off. No sabwa we fefe, no sawa bowa. No sawa bowa ra mojo ra ewuku we gambo fi. Okyo ya fie gambo. Because orone we ebo wa. How much they want to give una for we una go they put una music. Instead of me with the jam una music, me with they get joy. Ya get de dosa. A music in all that in agbe mi you ho when the music in we gbe say ori gi akpe ne ori so wan re man na am copyright on am. All of una, which is very very bad. If I be a mug of una be superstar, I no go put my music for where share revenue go dey. E go ni ozeni anama. I go free my music, me everybody they use on the jam. Egene de uwa imima. Epa the music me. Epa the music me. I like be negbaha. Why don't we copyright? Why I move you? Which is very very bad. This Obaname go music latest where they rave for everywhere. So I urge all presenters if you do walaho wakbe wa blow eme copyright. Obaname eme copyright wa blow eme copyright. A copyright amuwa wa do no me na me ya wefi. I will call a go no la we gege o ya gwa le no ya free yan. Eme copyright. Eme wa play. Yes, wa play. So now so it be my plan once before I go straight to my show.
It's Joel.
Happy New Month, guys. Happy New Month to every one of you. Happy New Month to every one of you.
Go. Obaname,
let's go, let's share this video.
Yes, Olokun noba.
Yes, Tagi di anonya so boriri. Asomori pe utenamara baba lava so. Ogi di anonya so.
Obaname no sanoro. Olokun noba. Yes,
Yes, oh, Nigeria, I'm not so alright, let's go straight to the show after this. Aproko, lovely music. It's going to be a short show. I'm supposed to talk now, but I don't want to talk. I just quit waiting. I want to hear. Guys, don't forget, on the 15th, it's going to be a big party here in Germany, Freiburg City. It's going to be shut down. Iye-eki, one of Freiburg, aka Mommy Evelyn Gosman. Mommy Evelyn Gosman of Germany. Iye-eki, one of the old universe. Iye-eki, kí èkó mọ́kè jẹ́ Ejeki awe birthday. Una no say yeah, remember if una call her go answer. Mommy Gosman. Mommy Evelyn Gosman, the answer. On the 15th, fry ball, get ready. You're gonna be shut down for Mommy Evelyn Gosman. Iye-eki boy, Deba OVA. It's gonna be shut down. You are gonna witness a party you have not witnessed in Germany once. Shout out to Epa Eddie. No ga je ko ya a fry pan ya shemi ku. In fact, a fry pan is so run over 40-60 euro. Epa Eddie. But we are going to witness another party on the 15th fry ball here in Germany. When you boy you in Germany, and when you boy you party man. And you boy you mommy Shaganation. Mommy Shaganation. Mommy Shaganation. Mommy Shaganation. The director of Shaganation, CEO Feli Gold, aka Felicia Ukbama Mega Superstar Gabriela. iye-eki. She's the CEO Managing Director, Feli Apartment, Benin City, Edo State of Nigeria. Wagwal apartment here, Ogunam almost 8 flats for our apartment. Boy. Engineer himself, John Osayuki Aro. I see you, my great in-law. And there's a noise, I sight you there.
I greet you, sir.
Yes, Zion, I sight you.
All the way from Ewato.
Mommy Shaganation.
Respect.
Please, pause this juju. No, not be juju music. Mommy Shaganation, not be juju music. Mommy Shaganation, the director of Shaganation. Ije-eki, the only woman where they spray 70 people money once. Yokpa igo nebo ya wiko ya fiyo. Oh, what a waffy ukpa. Obi my so hiari. Oh, hiari for na ya samu bo. Money no samu bo. Igo no go where I beg. Mommy Shaganation power. Mommy Shaganation, mommy sweet angel. Abi woni weniki. Ekpelede one of the universe. Don Olaye Motors. Of course, Don Little Joker. Ambassador Little Joker. We are very engineer bright arrow. We are any award time you go anywhere you work believe ku. Ya bu. Queen Jennifer Bay. Ije iya boom e oni mawere ba wa ya mu we yi o me o wala ebe do mi wa utana o wa ya mu we yi o we o ebe do mi wa utana be do mi wa e do iwa mi wa o Ogun Ogbazan. Mommy Shaganation. Ẹni o bọ́yọ̀ ẹgẹ̀ sọ́nà ẹ̀ ọ̀wá sọ̀nà ẹ̀ wọ́n ké náà ọ̀gbẹ̀ wọ́n ké ọ̀fẹ́ extra báyìí extra ni ọ̀rẹ́ gift. Uyọ̀ ni àwọn ọ̀yọ́. Ẹni o bọ́yọ̀ Abijimare wage have Mrs. Queen Osayede, aka Ajebor, one of the Shaganation. Yeah, what the OG. And then I feel you got 100 and I feel. Olaye Motors. Oh, you one of Shaganation. Hey, Yarevan. Hey, Papi, me. Hey, Yapuri. Ya. Hey, on your Yamere Utana. Eh. Warewa ide no ya mere na se geta emi no ya mere utana na se geta do we egege ari manoto we no be we gege nware mo ide o agami ya ihe apegbe video na we na ipegbe wo but e no ya mere e wa oni zege wa wo egege ni wa zege we ni lawa ni wazege weze ni lawa egogo no la popular everywhere you go owo he no rodiame okeke no si mabo o he no rodiame Manoe no si my bow, we need Jesus Christi no me wafa. He said, oh, no, Rodiame, a Manoe, toss in my bow. Mami water me, or Rodiame, oh, diame, you want me, gume, oh, diame, oh. Mami, water me, oh, diame, oh. You want me, gume, oh, diame. You need the phone now? You want to watch YouTube? Go and watch YouTube.
No, I don't want to watch YouTube.
Hey, drop my phone. Yeah, go and sit down.
I just want Roblox to play. I just want to play.
Please don't disturb me, okay?
Yeah, I just want to play Roblox.
Mami, water me, oh, diame, oh. You want me, gume, oh, diame. Mami, water. Egogo, yon mu won baname, yon mu la the whole universe o. Ije mege o sayama boname okunbo obota ogieniye. Okwono enegbe no ro modina vitali. Ade modina no yeti made mistakes okwopa no oni mari mawe o mani gugwa o magbe weseje ihe aseti mi ami wa ese nu wa o me kuwe kodafon we. Wa weseje no gie. Wasowa uwe iji maduge mama Queenette na me owoke sieme. Okay? Ezeme nya to boy adazoma sisi a video na iya with the mom egwe my brother. You bonuri me video modina weso vijeme. God bless you all. All right, my people, wa here wa baby negekai. E was no yameruwe a video na is a short video, okay? First of all, I will be talking about Ehinola Hotel later. In case of people, a lot of people call me says, yeah, tell me so Nima understand the man. So and I come here where Ehinola Hotel is there. Then I will also be talking about the next party now in Germany, Freiburg on the 15th. Mommy heavily Gosman, a party already so okay. So Modena, okay, and Modena, man made a mistake. So anything now. Issue on ground, if you do not woman, consigning Rose Society, MC Papilo International. When the truth has to be told. This woman did a very classic party, but I don't really know why you not see no go Doriozan the party okay. Even meji ya hia gwa kan iwaswa no. So that's it. Eti do tell no kan issue oge o. Imanibu beje tahia we MC Papilo or yes you kona no rotona no kona mai na ye fona. So I'm here this evening to let us know where MC Papilo erimo bo kona. Erena no bana no waye bana no madoyona MC Papilo erimo bowo. The truth has to be told in case if some persons don't understand. If some persons don't understand, MC Papilo erimo bowo. I was on the conference call with MC Papilo about 2 days ago. Vima tieve ave a chief so tieve we do from the doing gun. Ajebor lao ire conference call, but that be said, la wo egwa imaima no TV. So the important call no yeti e fian for sorry yeti when he drop in any respond. Ye fian for ye continue with me. Again no ya ho me wa ho in na tell we chief no. Then na so never no carry not tabe there oge why my be not table ni e na we ovievo ni ahin. So na yeti abo de wa ya beg him no so with social media. That ke Papilo ke family na that they are one they were telling him to please stop that fight. Papilo meme Papilo wa be yate he don't know why because man no ga gbon yan so ni yan and yan so ni yan so eheji ni aji except o man di yowo ne no soy ibie kind of dey de yan dey do yowo no man o man no ye 20-30 years din we. At least, or at a domo, or go egwan. That's the truth of the matter. Know it, my son. Yeah. So before Oike drop him, on I continue with him. But if one way have anyone not get understand where family of that not keep her from Ezo, even you know they are soon no muyoto, and the papilo will say, Iho, wa talk by no wine, domosa. So you are dropping me in it continue. So it only yabe it. So for some people who continue thinking where papilo or season or no roto no yehiano mafuna ewe ye papilo or see Igbina no tima gbina oseme otemege Frank Victor. In case if some of you don't understand, go and rewatch his video. Frank Victor we video nona aro iseke era videoge ohonage a rose society. Which somebody call on that line? Tamaiwe, please take the parents out of this. Frank, mana now. Frank, I understand it, Frank. Me do later don't understand it, Frank Victor where. Frank Victor man no waje na me where. Oh my down, wa no very only. No, me no go na people might be surprised wa. E man no go we nyana na no biana rubbish is yes, you can take it so. Yes. But get me where although tell the story where if no jinya ro bisekame give me no see we told him there, we told him story, man. So even there are times then you let go. Who do why na or my photo mana. Then why don't see come and do even no year. So it don't care about Frank in from afar where Frank Victor is not that difficult that you would think where a man or a guy is a difficult person. Frank Victor you very on him. Except Uma can lie, Uma understand it. Or I can live from Victor, Una understand it. From Victor is a simple person. Yes, don't let it surprise you with Motemen. It's a simple person. Yeah, I know why I said it so. Me enu bani me eko women ma iri phone iti Frank Victor. You were please my brother. Laha wo issue na no run body na. O ma be nyana o sikeme drop issue na. Okay, finish a video. You do tie. Get the reason. The man said, okay. And okay, can the man present and the man get na dagbe ma? Because when the man get na dagbe, it means we are not responsible to ourselves. If when a Frankie yeba or Rovia Rokba make tie we Frank Omana tie bomena or sikeme, no matter crime no commit laho. Seti shuna okeke no dame nyega wabe time Ajebor agami ya wefe omana no tiebo nana osikeme bosunu ge no so la ogugu hewebe no emena asete okeke ni dane amana mi o ma die ati o ma odun mi egbe ti odun wa gbon o si e agbon na wo ma mi ami o ma bi ran okeke na dane gbe oga aro ni mahia be ri oni. You will see the life will be easy for every one of us to live in. Let me quickly make one parable. There was a woman in, I believe it was US or Canada or the area of the only highland or the US, Canada or the highland. No, all over the Ajebor do anyway video na. Ona wa do comment him no magbayo. Oi comment him no magbayo ni osabwa aswano manaswa many ya screenshot. It is screenshot in a live page in it was a real account. If you do. Owe mnaja na emi ena we no kwoni hian ogi o ma si ama de bagbon na ge gie ogwa meje iwe video me be ni we na imati ebo no you might be a watcher. I don't force you to come to watch me yanita e wo hian like but to watch him babare. When you insult me when do any time ajewe aswano mani maswa meni yage nugbeni deri account no you are lucky. But aswano my wabe swami yage o mana no gbe na gume yage ya ige una area account de ido bano we yazagba veni me ye ambassador no bano amehin a CEO no bano emehin ambassador no bano emehin veni me ye na aga me ya we fi ye party ahia straight. Veni life in every sense, very fin ya will life in any now. I will there you do come up ba imeti ban wa ya video. E ku okpa ro be. As far when we are telling men over when me document. E we no come area o come we no money bia ga we met then. iye-eki party with video, iye-eki with video. The way shame of Harry was war. Before I brought myself to this sports line, I know say anytime somebody if he come say, hey, this one you know the shame. See wait, you be fool. So any account, it was a real account. And I went to here anytime, man. I live in Nayak Bugoma. And I don't come up when any I trolley area. Then I who have war in a tell oh God. If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone at other house that is glass. Each way I hear me Becky, and I feel better Becky. Because one day, I swear it is so away, then you will regret it. He is one sad guy. And when he makes a that's one spoke with the woman. Do you know what the woman did? He me one day, making a from office, man. Here where there is a soldier in my office. And I was soldier. Here I walk so here I where or Marte Rockba or we a Gualoma no nyama. And I okay. Wahodo wa phone, you know phone. And I want like CCTV camera. I don't know if I'm still online. I don't know if I'm online. I'm not seeing the number of people watching me anymore. Please, if you know I'm online, can you just comment? Say yes. Even if it is yes, please let me continue. I'm not seeing comments. I'm not seeing number of people watching. If you know you are watching me live, please just tap yes. Tap anything. Maybe when you tap, I will see your comment. Then we'll proceed. Might be my network, because you know me iye line abi. Okay, iye line. Oh, iye line. Ije make me your will of it. Iye line. Good. Hee, mommy shegeni show yere ma. Mommy shegeni show ye imagine winner. Ije make will of it. Wa TV la platform TV tie Ajebor butter. Omatu omeje imowo. So megi wage here we soldier rom office we you not even boy can make soldier dan the soldier gwalo odo mi bieka ni I visitor na here we soldier mari evi okpare but we gwalo we gwale no nyama we okay and I wa phone you na wa phone na wa CCTV camera e wa CCTV camera e soldier gele tutayo me palo soldier away and away this is Ajebor himself, the CEO managing director. What are you looking for? Are you a visitor or well, no? Or where I'm looking for you, there is a report from abroad. My sister said you are insulting me. And I went, what? Or where my sister said you are a Nikawata. And I went, in a way, you are very, very stupid. Because a big bally may be very very Egbe bali maybe but of one no we fail your bomb so why I know and then no case so 5 year police the area of office a nija we maybe CCTV camera I will alega here why I know of when no we fail your bomb so oh uni wa have so jolly now you are very very stupid or what and I said you are stupid. Get out of my office. When me ya my whole mother na say, Omime. At the end of the day, my mother could able to calm me down. You may not calm me down. You may calm me down. You may not know where. Yes, Ovinyo tieni. Now, what is the problem? Don't want to walk away or what tieni me rovio tieni no webo. And I okay, ye fine. If I may understand, you and no na the name of the sunu ye no one. On us no ye not. What's not in a wa. And I want me that rovia over my enemy rovia over my why you rovia in a one. My question one day may ya break. And I don't guess what you at the office me. Honestly, me I will put down address office on I get soldier again. Given away on I just so and I okay. Ihoji. In a line CCTV camera. In a call direct and I'm on your speaker. And then soldier man, oh well, yes sir, ain't got him, yes sir. I beg, wait till your sister say she do me. Otaniwa ane soldier na hina do. Or where she talk say she comment for my platform. The day break, I start to the call her Ashawo. And I can know okay, number one. And my brother, soldier man, yeah, language. In a way, you don't see, say your enemy go for your present fall. You not go laugh, huh? Or when no, away if my enemy fall. Why go there? Or when I made my enemy die, now they now okay, thank you. You know, your sister tell me say comment. Now your sister and I comment talk. You not talk any other thing, journal or when no. You know, soldier man, I did on my house. I did do video. I be social media presenter. Now a video where they do, I don't know your sister before from Adam. I don't know where your sister be stay for abroad. You know, after I finish my video, I can't see say this name now where you they call your sister comment. Use comment insult my enemy. Somebody where I don't know. I not tortura. Now my video I they do. Or where I feel screenshot and come. So I always say, yeah, I made the screenshot. It's starting. You know what screenshot here, you know what screenshot it here. Or you watch, you know, when my sister not tell me this one, I will see this is exactly what happened. Every insult where she say I insult her, where make her send you from Lagos. In Lagos, a soldier only one soldier from Lagos. One soldier. From Lagos come Benin, say you want to fight. Now this is the reason. Oh well, no, or when my sister is very, very wrong. Now ask your sister if I know her. Ask your sister if I don't fair insult her. Or when you again here on my phone. Or you ever or my phone, or you be lawa, or wait, please, I'm going to come back. And I say, or my deck berry, mana or you never did. Or my I get a deck berry. In how you did a deck, in a viga no. Or my uniform, you know, carry a uniform, no, my your the next day. Nobel let it, my your the next day. In how you sorry, guys. In how you in the Tawe, in your tiane. That where it is true. Me am commenting my way. Yes, in your boy. But mean ni ya any harms. Just a nita. You know what comment. You malake na my way. But that was insult. A comment na no insult. Ya no ni mana. We mana ga agu motiana we no. If you the why no is these two soldiers were now apologizing to my mother, to me instantly. Voya me yemena ya zirena viedo because you mani boutique where wage iya oba iya hevava they can do anything. No. Agbona no maria bewe una ahuehia uga do boss side okeke egare why the reason where ekunu wa gbom ani e o salobo do punish weba do na do boss side o bete soro ude de ti so side we no na was na. At the end of the day, a soldier or you come out any muyoto. Not only muyoto, I have the record of the soldier man here. Or go here tip. I after my brother warrior do or say marihin la ho wo gami egbe na ri okwe ku gbe ma ga lelu eladian. This was what no okpa kekore no pa na redo wa. Oje no kekoro we no pa yen ya bi e de igbe yen fa na ga di orphanage mi me. Edi ma wa ya set case ni. E soldier ga hin mi me. Nila ni mwezo na yoto ena wiwawe we ne ide gbe sagai as far where was setting e what warrior be. Okay, warrior be when I take a soldier at the office me why when a soldier do when no do gbe ye ne dede abi when no do yo sisi gbele money rewa wa me not here bodu we me rewebo when I ke Lagos na ge soldier na ge area office me no wa attitude is ihwe so we bona o wa meje we ni we video na ma tie bo no maropa. What ye body me true comment. Me yi tam we no yi do we ni kama we ni ya ho we wo a e me ni na do we. Igi kama we e call menstruation umie ona do son we. But we a comment ni we gbe ya ro bi seki me o ma go son me. So everybody should be careful. E what the many by me it. So let me go straight to my point. If the mama agbon we nice one, useless one. Yes, mama, every time they why asunu. Truth of the matter. Or say na wa we jogo ko na seripa where they no one via police from so 5 enija win am me. My office is legal. It's license. Except for me when working your way. Office no license. You can't come and oppress me. Why can't you go oppress me? Why can't you oppress me? Then you not writing me. So that's it. A police in Ruwa office me police. I wake CCTV camera wana omekere wa ahia se wa ya yare emu your office no wa do ka wa me mu ba oya so person wa ale la police na be ni awo wa ya na wa ale le yan. I was on my right You are not surprised. So name. Follow that policeman. I'm seeing everybody on the CCTV camera. Follow them because you can't drop him where you are banner. Why? They will say, why are they following us? We are police officers. I said, even if you are police officer, I have right to say they should follow you guys. That is my office. It's my house. Who said you walk by setting out you? I mean, you are such a war. No way, no man, little way. Who I drop him where you're wow. When I do him, no me war. You don't understand. You understand? Eh? They let me do what I want to do. And I can be okay. Wow, yeah, you know, okay. In Wado, wow, and I make base station. So this is your right. Now, a Canadian here where a case na imani buta here where MC Papilo osio kuno yero tona ihena no tona no ma idoyona no yame do rie ni Frankie you were ba where imani bun when Frankie wa jini we understand the Frankie wa o manu fi go yes mo ite me nana. So now a DJ Jeff no re manana owe video no na threatening Frank where in 48 hours ni Frank where Omanado apologize to Erin Vigien to the entire family Oga Desagbo that Ima no ki no italile but owe video even in that video of a swing meyo but omaka where ni medo apologize or swing meyo video ni. Now, I'm already maji manawe presenter na. Malane na threaten the truth of the matter. Mostly evenore ne presenter pick. When I do ladia, una wado threaten a presenter ni okba. On my way presenter no him, let me say so. Here on in agbira. Emeni ona provoke Frank. Before this video ne Jeff Yuna. E papilo ladia ne dokane we otien enyave erosihin society wale mi do wa underline papilo already came out. A family ati papilo ne wa which okeme yokpa yin kere we imagility papilo go wa. I was online with papilo maga agun we call ni re. E papilo we video no imi mahia ne we na lao na he we na we otien enyahin mare de go tien yahin. If one of you said away, you are no one is here, fear will be then original, na lao woo. Now, women, now you turn away here when papilo or one in it. Which by right, a case a papilo or lying issue not in it, or man only turning. Case a lying issue now, white bomb again, digwe. A case a lying never. Now, our brother DJ Jeff now came the way video, those swinny maya, swinny mano. No, boom, a maya no video, a Jeff is swinny eh. I man in the yes when the massy say. Ima bu no we video go tien go family en go. Maybe a video no ka about nyo wo na pick even Frank ga ije wu way. Now on in agbera. Ori we video na provoke Frank Victor. A video ni ona provoke Frank Victor we the man na here go threatening him. And before this video, a Frank cast a video a une. Nona gele arobi se hera je. Which why I have a video now where saga garine except a presenter no control a presenter ne kakabore control no de or they very like or they tell him normal keke eroma video man ya Kenya re by even come you understand there are some presenter video on it you understand or the by the saga which a Frank ga attempt any video somebody call it to Frank platform. I watched some of Frank video. Take this man, this woman parents out of this issue. Do you know what Frank did? Instantly, Frank na what ana we are. Ye gele itie bo ne ravi. E Frank betana we je ona we jien no. Frank Victoria video ni una na motana. A video no uno. E to ta be koko or life on that where iye rose ijien no. Ye hia itie bo ne je. Ugmesote we video 3 hour na me we oye we la ukpa is a pass mark. Than utter water every seconds. But I remember where a Frank will anywhere ye table nije, which at least a respect then after this, Jeff now come out. But before Jeff come out, a Jeff win a tear Frank Igbava. Now how did I know this? If you do, Nediama, a Jeff Okamoma, not me. So Omani Adazoma Sino is a brother to me. Ona time come on real live video. We je ma record wa we dey why ti record me ma record wa. O ma no ge no time adazo man say no man ya me phone e must mu. E man na team Stanley. Anytime you are free, he must reply calling. O time o we Jeff o we ni team na ni Jeff na o we team. Jeff no be me ye gwalo yan. Jeff to boy team. Jeff is like a brother to me. I don't have issue with him. Or wait a while, where or temohi, yeah, seti gume gua, okay, fine. Ovijeme, egi madeta lobe, mo Jeff ye line. Onawa mo Jeff, DJ Jeff, na mo line. This was no day was on Friday, right? Thursday night. If I'm not making mistake. Ona mo DJ Jeff yo, ne mana atwebe. Atwebe ne na wa. Where my be tobu where we eat him and una be agie. Adazena re no timo do whatever no fee where is sick or una ibe geri so mana wa be ya igboden wani e ona ikemebe ya ne e Jeff na we Jeff a video no you sweni me una wo ma disrespect me o you didn't do that ina better sweni me where Mr. Gameya we please my family name don't go to that place and I will beg Agmo in a temata mama and I want the same video you also said where Umaye time yage but people draw your attention to it and I will beg you Agmo in a way my brother in a way video ni me ukieke I've already make my decision where I've let your sister be even problem with her twin he married those sagot twin with a problem or mama no even emi no dame no yime de video oye no mana pene papilo walk away or they gbedo we when iriye no twen iriye ne papilo do wo papilo na ye twen owo twen akpolose e no se no wo twen akpolose is because a party no hoa why na do ye mi no ma kekeni una do yari ozange gbo oje be na je bo e boni aga ya wene ozani do lele. So Oya me terminate. Know that I have problem with her. The woman can be having problem with me where you have vat good in here, but me problem with her. Imagine I will take care of it. You have vat good in here because it don't let her where on where we but me where Ogona heto you me with the me multi me mwe at a 30 minutes journey. I will not drive her. But if you were this one, mama outside saying, I don't feel leave her, make she strand. Even though she not bring her car, come this party. My career, mama, la we moto, I'm ready away hotel. We drove her to about 30 minutes drive. On you say you were like telling one or two person here already go. You might get that man. Imahovu no ilu no aro paboye. But he get it to but you invite you know ya be even I do even me a time matter no. O ma get ready kume. Only my issue. Only not be so Emma DJ Jeff na iga gun o kadazeni be live we conference call ni so Jeff na we nila wo chema ni he we emena nila ena we orijeme aga me ya we fi we my be me dade o we na you na my person now you na my person although me ka be gbina no we na we na me my be mi we me dade na me ka be conclude na we here we na we issue na apart from you telling me now when nila on here we na no I don't have problem with your sister ena be come na we Eruwe me marere hewe eruwe oi adesagbo that the adesagbo is our father. I don't know. Your father is like my father. My father is like your father. In a way, I thought where your sister okwona ge rosi na ne picture manana. Veni maya wa yage boy mokpari ebo yage we adesagbo. I feel we yo enion adesagbo. Na me na ata me Jeff. Em no me ati adesagbo na hin. Na I don't know. I bet me you were last video ni me ko igba fa we video camera. The second video ni ga wo wana tamame we no is her father name is Adesagbo. We start now if you Adesagbo ya wa regwe wa forgive him thank God imabe tie bone eruwa. We bet DJ Jeff ma turn ama we video ni. A video ni ke for iju we me ga gbina na. Because there's a record somebody sent to me. O ma no send the record ni give me na me ga tie phone emu. Vene otwenya aye power sigo vene otwenya aye power we amadash we be so vene otwenya disrespect ijwe where oga ije modie ho na o mana we no pa ye huefo ime ga sago ijwe we why will you disrespect your mother DJ Jeff na we ye wine so I never know that is your father that eruwa e ati adesagmo ina ima ina me wa figure in to be on adesagmo oji me wa alwe nini in our Jeff on behalf of your father, your daddy, my father, in our I apologize. Yeah, the word down with the conference call man, you know. Jeff now a chairman said no, and I went no, okay, you want apologize. In our in time a video need they by where they good megwana. Amen. I don't where eruwa or adesagmo in and I bet my thought was your sister wate adesagmo. So and now we apologize. La wo egwi my brother. Forgive me, me what when or you may always language now. This album, and I thank God. Ebo, Jeff now we wabi ihe wene. So then, eme frankina do lawe topic ini. Eme fran Victory lawe topic ini. Jeff now we tie fran Victor egbava. That oyeve fran Victor ka we hatin e werigbe. But e franki mari tie no po give oyeve TikTok ora aje. Nye tie e franki we hatin e werigbe. Ye na ibe ho franki ibe tawa. E DJ Jeff otie na. But ye na ibe ahoy o mari tie werigbe. And that's no are line ni ere ma na ere ma. E ma na ba hin we me na e na that's na we no hije la ho tie frank. Okay kinagi dem na iyo e na we wa support. E na we Jeff tie frank. E Jeff na wa ye maybe only ebe itie because ye tie gbava ogun ya abi etie o mari be tie e Jeff na be am right ni ba which e gele be beg right ni e right ni be ye ne oye we wait o ma igbava won ya ati o mari be tie we ana do ari shwe so na ima be kama we no tie we be right wo be tie but I still insist we tie so my hin phone e Jeff na wo ma ya be ye ba da se na o tie na no be o tie me na ya ge bi no kuan hia iye so do ye tie frank or marry tie frank me marry here but to show myself what my tie frank they talk tie frank I believe where a frank ye we video no there and the day agbese na gbe frank we video na my ma dey watch it at all but no the ye frank we video the day agbese do na I my dey him so via oni iye me na do ta na ni mure na I ka clore papilo ne ba we ni maro pare gata hia o itana we e papilo sire no gibana onage kese papilo e no ye franki fire down is because of the threat ne a DJ Jeff no ye ni Frank or ye franki fire down the franki mana hewe. And I want to clear us today where Frank Victor is not the person anybody other think where no franki very on him. If you I repeat again for several times now, if you understand that person, if Frankie Jeverioni, Eoma Verioni, except Uma understand the okay, now Biagi only Tana Reu or Une, a video na Menaga Meya OFA. If you are lema, ya send a message, give Frank Victor. I am sending this message, I am not sending it with authority. No, I am sending it with respect to him. No lao wo. Me we a DJ Jeffy at a Frankie Babana. A Frankie me oh we na. Frank have a lot of program now. I may wear or for 1 year. No. Frank has me to be me we saga. I give me message. I have a lot of things. Jeff, but I let it go. Nobody is perfect. No. Now imagine a Frankie, you know, wawe sagani. Who imagine where any a saga no buna evio gnyani amaita. Amai we wage dogo kunakbano. No. But Frank might be taking with threats in an oriena. O mana iwe mi no tani e bege e. I wish Igwe DJ Jeff Igwe. In a way, I'm a terminal, say, Mamma, anytime I know one. In a way, daytime I'm a terminal, say, Mamma, and I'm your mamma, and I will video no eat my brother. Away. Money no threaten anybody. No matter, apart from that, when I tie hair and I'm your, you can't give somebody 48 hours. Oh, and listen over those about space. Esunu, a soldier may go guamba, every day. Because someone on bomber, or must where you are. You understand? A video no well DJ Jeff you were very right. O monodo different ravi walking. Uye we tell you where o mano we ni wagwegwa. But era me VJ, which I give you, I applaud you, DJ Jeff. You did well. But a mistake is twain a uduriere. No ya where I give Frank 48 hours. Oh, when we finish a video in there, we go on a platform on my you spoke well. When we like your whole video ni. Oko Frank la wo era me menari. Ije me era me ma wo mi rokpa. Ije me ma wo mi rokpa. Do what teme why me. Wa continue at but not teme then no how wa I please Frank Apollo. If Frank in me or what take him nutani. If Frank in me or what take him nutani. E kola yeti Frank where the era video e Frank na ta where yes na ye ite but era video me wa video na we ijwe no. That's what Frank said. That is what Frank said. So but you coming out una do it threaten all those CM igbinana no ma ye for na. Ye papilo siona papilo or lie you wearing it papilo have done his job. Or imia or imia presenter ya. Your threat is why Frank is now continue sagging your family. Ya vi no ma involved do ala jave issue now. Now eni me miyevo me na hina. Many time a video na la ho it came and send a message na give Frank Victor. I wait 1 minute now. Frank Victor, it show so I want no watch a video now. How we watch it. Where we do think there was a video you did some time ago where a man around me yawe or even comment you a platform now. Yeah, it is life me say my brother. He comment ye platform where we comment ye platform me. My ogi be at all. I take you like a brother, not even a friend. I take you like a brother. That's just life. So now, ni Maya said to you have to where you should not say verse hane Frank Lawo, Inana, you born you have never disrespect me. And the rime vere manu where you do a tell mama about where Obokbo ayati me. Mr. Meya Wefi, Omana Nutana drop a video in Frank. If no when you a video I will do it. It did life in a wase. Not only somana a video ni yewe kawe la will drop a video even that we delete a video ni. That's my life. Omami wait to me but is respect because nobody knows tomorrow. Respect is a reciprocal. Magamo enegbere nyana wa bege emi rock by logo na wu. Everything will be easier for every one of us. Iwagwe DJ Jeff Igwe we tell threatening anywhere. Igwe Frank and the threatening also no wena na guana. Iwagwe na we threatening anywhere. Ne tem any 48 hours no dey ya when attack better ne. Mama e beg na we odukun sinye. Then why the threat? If 48 hours you say odukun can sinye. So there's no need of the threat. So girl or une Frank Lahowo, Mr. Frank, with due respect. Imedo de by DJ Jeff. Doing me away utana. I'm not telling you to drop the saga any time away. But already here no raw. Because on your DJ Jeff iveru diary. Or a video no we do. If you do or a video no DJ Jeff you. My father, my mother, my family. Where you are calling my father a day name. So why ya? If you want to talk to my sister no with me, talk to my sister no with me. Take my father out of it. So mere bana do de by DJ Jeff Yimiawe Frank. No laho wuwu. Please, I'm not telling you to stop the saga. Where Usago Tion or no, only reba. Any wariba magbera any DJ Jeff is standing anywhere or what a rien vision. Really? Or again Frank, era vision, they are like our parents. Era vision, we may apologize, Jeff, or when you apologize, Jeff is maltreating him. Oh, Jeff, like when you can disagmona, Rosina, Jeff, so it's not limited, Jeff. So, oh, but again, where era is my father. So it's not left for him to also think where my father is also his father. Okay, mama respect ina. Okay, mama respect ina. So odo ya me itemina and wa be na Frank Victor. Nuke sagera vijena e Jeff Marwe video not here bonira, not here bonijwe. So I beg we only the pace. Apart from or tell me 48 hours. I be me maso. I be video 1 second. Frank Victor nenemi era of a time video bet. He never did. So Lao Wowo, Frank Lao. A video ni meto bi me una ege son owe. I'm doing it because of very tear way to myself. E also na eti su anywhere. Ni na go egwa we nyana. Very get way to myself, very take away to myself. If not, I will not even mention your name. Please don't be offended of the video. Lao Wowo. Uwono na usera bijia etu mohe Jeff edede mimi okpa we mimi iwi megwe wo wa be koko ma wo egun. I told him, my brother, you don't have right to threaten anybody apart from Frank. Nobody for those cyberspace where you go threaten. You don't get that right. I told him. But the man also spoke his heart where Eriema we rockba ijema and this truth. Magagelege erama we rockba ijema we rockba. I never know where a near or a desagmo mega hem mesunu ye or macaria ya te rose let all word on is when you're for you hero word. Ya te rose society. I will not go to his father's name, but by the time I know where Adesagmo was their dad name, and I said, Jeff, you married a video you and tamame the back can wedo Jeff. I apologize. Jeff na say, well, Chema only big brand. No, I need to apologize. No, because your father is like my father. So that is it. We no son where a threatening a son away. So idole video na in your way. Lao Wowo Frank Lao. Ikoboku be Lao Wowo Frank Lao. Eti when saga of womu yoto mamu yoto onita, but orera no ruwe ije. No dovije gbena no dojo vije gwa wenu laho no looking to threatening forget it threatening laho we what they threatening for. I know where the type of person the kind of person who a man agati we bamba no we the odion we was umori no we gbe umori no me to be me no rema me ti we ye me emi ma no se ha ne wa we video for gagun agelegun laho wo woteme laho. Ewe me na give no yasunwe umwa me eti go nwe frank e no we ekesi na no so na we no ma no eti frank we na rigo ne unwe osaru eva oga e video na ni ya wa sopra we we man na ya me na osaru eva no eti frank Victor we frank eti e bo ne re man na vj man na la wo ya can't na rigo ne. Frank said he don't need money. Frank said he don't need money. Everyone now motayo no we go or marry a bribe or marry a straightforward person you know what die with you a threat ne DJ Jeff any where a threat ni you know na lie me on. I don't ever in time in meta me in a surprise but it's soon we man okay where la the account na Jamie. The guy said no, I don't need money. But since a guy now we are threatening ye who no more threatening say. So anything. Laho Frank Victor Laho. Please with due respect. Well, I must do me video now. While Laho Imanovi watch it from Victor ma. Wafi party na yan yasu ni esengie. I beg you, please. Laho agi DJ Jeff now. Even the same Rose. O ma be video season no do ro yeri eri man rock pa no gun ayo iji man rock pa no gun ayo but let's say tonteria no ye ohun yes ayo sare be nenemi they never read YouTube they never read sister lawa sister lawa more you are doing that in aruda we gbe ma be lawa sister enter house your record full my phone yeah enter house sister. It has made you respect yourself, respect your children, respect the party where you use big money to do. You want pride, you want the proof stop to your friends say you not send. Whereas Susanna, you never go toilet 3 times. You go toilet, you don't see shit. You don't see saga. Yeah. A saga will never dove tamoma, your tie, you have a don't where I want money mammy toilet you 5 days of work, but I'm setting your toilet. You come by the dance for camera, they say, never reach YouTube. Then they make me famous, so. Yabo, then they make me mommy, Yabo. Sister, you don't reduce. Sister, you don't reduce kilo, sister. ya ga na part of you we no ko isa we. Eh? Abe do abe voni mi na runda we na ya rovi ravi juwe. Ojo 20 nekere ladian. But you know what? When I even salad they never reach YouTube. You are not a presenter. You are a God seller. You are a God seller. When imagine a presenter, I don't have any Even me la David Tinera Vijay. But where presenter? When they never reach YouTube. Now I made them do me. I'll come be Ajebor Ojo. Sister. No where we go for where you tole umisane umamie ne ya hwe I block na saga cause you dey hear the saga woto ya ije rene ije vere oge from Victor meje na oge na ma be na ave ya sodo he ije wenu kawu orodo ote yari amawe na ya sodo oge sister Kate Ekete awe mi ekete de kete laho ni kete wata me ma kete ekete awa mi kete laho so wahi ya we na ya have do obota je no ge o shekebo money carry okwo no ene gba da zoma siesi ije no gie ba we do awe I never reach YouTube Ijabor Ojo akan be like Ijabor made the do na ma famous na wa de gbe atoni ekete wa de gbe avie mi yalada ije ki wa ma ma wodo ve meje me hewe ne. Because I don't do my things like that. Me hewe ne. Them DJ Jeff we papilo we Frank me isunu anywhere. My we come problem we ado asaga we no me hewe ne. But see you we do we cho we right we marry e toilet there wa do boy toilet we miss ane. Cho yeah they come be like Ajebor Ojo. Una never carry on YouTube. Una come they make me popular guy. I say boy my go we dey good. Masho we mi saga. Madam Lawa sister Lawa Rose, sister Rose Lawa no ne sono me votana. I promise o to na ye e ka we my we ka gu ama we. Enu we jina na wa mi be ku wa to ma be to me sister be gbera. O ya keme after o pe akin imo ku obe nu jevo wa so ye single man ama we ado ake o ma to me sale be no o kan me se mege. Oh, can I say ya wa mi wa bom egbera we I'm very important. Okya no mo ko wa ya gea. Wo sister o la ho. Frank Victor la ho wo baba la ho teme. La ho Frank. La ho. If I did to bomete Frank we will video not try no video na why you 1 minute here. Ko mo send me video na so that no mo Frank need to let his father, DJ Jeff father and DJ Jeff mother out of this. Yes. Mi do mo ni atalo ime wa lock up madam. Mi do mo ni mai oni guan. Mi do mo ni mai guan wa ewe. Wa ewe. Ka ne no ma we wo kan bo ya do guan na we ru there. No manade party me na guan me na hewe. But what we lock up na ni era yen asagbare ri ni ju yen asagbare. Understand o. Erekevi. Iseke wuwe o, iye-eki wo. Ya worry up we say la iwe video isaga we be we no to bo ya get the saga woto no woto no iwe nu ga money no matter ma we moto bo what we so that no ready la no reply back. La wo ga me DJ Jeff ira agun kan o la o atra nu ga mo la wo mo la o why get one understanding ni gwan kan place la wo mo iwe ni what we ni draw attention no ready ga boy imanate we na we kan di we videos we ni we say la wo mo okay man on my we say ti we ba mo all right brother we say oh yeah we mama dova ciao. So when you want your attention you na no ready ya video na it might have a platform in our no say saga when always saga only my comment, but oge rival jena no ye DJ Jeffy do team no make no turning, so no allow no forgive. They no get it rival jeni you wear it. You oge no ya si Russia say osati only my comment. So ba if you do not go me madi right, please. Wage gui one if you wa menitana do wa mabi like wa forgive him if not do ya meta because my DJ Jeffy go wa adobeta ma when you tie Frank Igbava or my phone make a man tie Frank okay can tie go and make peace with him. So honor you tie even like where I tie my Igbava mamu I can tie no I force him with the other prominent man or I like both of us force him call this man. Okay, Uwutie, no, the Adena, the saga is still begin. Till today, I think we Frankie have a way video this or a bomb, I don't know. So let me see. Somebody said, what is it? So somebody say, what somebody said? Somebody say you talk well, bro. Hey, where say Baba 5-star Marlboro ya hotel. No, I can't call Kate or Kate or Katie. When I get Katie, me make the Katie Larry, or get Kate, I am a Kate, when you have to be a wire, I am a Kate. God bless you. Everybody say, Pa, you have spoke well, while we say, hey, it's a witty way, no market came. If no yame were, then my Jeff in Agua, one so it's like a brother. It's like a brother. I feel his pain. Where at your bonny VGM, Nana Macarian VGM, or Vega make a speech in me. DJ Jeff is not a bad person. Every kind of he might making a guy now fuck up there. Maybe DJ no. He's just a peaceful and a happy person. You know, so normal he have a Frank in there. A boy you feel you win the baby every moon tie bava mamu because otama when you tie bava Frank win ati a Frank Victor Mati. So the make after my no tie Frank you go and make peace with him. So honor je no get some mark and you tie e masha wo mama we no wa we no I we with the my brother. Oji men I we with the only be dove I me mu akpu we jona ya do I me Frank mana. If case not taking ye tie be tie we later. Imu where you lie, my body in Frank. Yes, it needs to take your father, your mother out of this saga. Though we are ya saga 20 only makame, but in weru daere, meru when we best when you mevo to we marry 48 hours in Mekeka. So a meru when no you wear is when you meaning a maybe in your banana do deba way in Frankie bar. The nigga care when I wear iye-eki yena. Why we are guale, why we are set up iye-eki, why I am iye-eki. Because iye-eki they talk where 2000 and enemy akagunye gwan. So you see agbona owa atitine zesifa zesis double. When you know that you are a person like this, when you shouldn't wade very papilo ite when work baby kume uye do pe e nana no na ima like me 100 rowe igi to awe mi very oni o wa zeseni igbere. Apma, you why you go to help? I don't say you take your money. I don't go and carry on again. That's all. I have a crisis now. You are not those woman. But look at the whole crisis now. So, we say iye-eki or sayamabo or shakeable money carry. While we say if I have said it right, okay? The time say while we say. So DJ Jeff. Maybe I need tana. Wa we like when we bet utama me when it from Victor ina we tie edi tama we. But ovievo ari ovievo da. Ono na ni meri una na wo gie me but do ge we e Frank ma he we we Frank we threatening ye only e beg no so no. Now I'm not putting on myself. I do ya we video now. So I believe I have done well. And oge papilo no ro clear ni wearing nsin papilo isi na igbinana e threatening Frank or si igbinana ro to na no mafuna. So anything if you don't know some more you can see video now wala wo on the 15th you all are invited to Freiburg for mommy Evelyn Gosman family birthday party. No, it's my son Evelyn mommy Gosman aka iye-eki one of Freiburg. Nobody will not know her. Walao Wowo, you all are invited to that great party on the 15th, this very month, November. Okay, and Ehinola Hotel, there is a discount now. Ehinola Hotel, there is a discount place. So if you are going home December, January, February, March, anytime, and you want to lodge in a very secured hotel with 24 hours AC, electricity, security, swimming pool, live music stage, disco club, disco night party club inside the hotel and all of the day, Ehinola, contact me, may I give you secretary or the manager number. There is a discount now in Ehinola Hotel. Ehinola Hotel, there is a discount now. Somebody say 50 plus not be yesterday. They waiting. I don't understand that comment. So Ehinola Hotel, okay, Ehinola Hotel, and so we also have our brother on rental service, okay, in case you want canopies, chairs, cooling van, anything that concern your event planning, also contact me. On rental service, contact me. Okay, so you can use a canopy to help your friend, to help your cousin, no way party, no anything. Okay, contact me. On rental service, they are the best and number one for Edo State for canopy, cooling van, event planner, generator. Now on rental service, now they get canopy where they carry step. Canopy go carry step. You go get parlor for up. People they sit down for up for inside canopy or rental service. Now you get that for Benin. If you need this contact me, because I not come put their picture of this evening and I papilo DJ Jeff issue now come for. Contact me, I will give you their number. Now three issue now I don't talk about. Now I talk about Ehinola Hotel party with the ground on the 15th. Okay, party with the ground on the 15th, Ehinola Hotel and Ohen rental service. So, and we'll be talking about SC property tomorrow. We'll be talking about SC property tomorrow. The only one